So we've got Kate and John and Lucy. There you go, guys. And then James is sharing his with Bintang Princess. I didn't tell you, sorry.
Oh, that's alright.
There you go. Jazzy, don't you knock him over. Jazz! Wow, they're going heaps fast. And we have Nana in the far now. Oh. Nana, you sunk already. There you go. And, because I said I would, guys, here's one for Jessica and Jason and the girls, and the rest of the kata crew. They're all going quite far downstream.
Yeah, just burned off around the corner already.
And then we have, last but not least, Mum. Sweethearts forever. Here you go, Mum. You, Dad.
Yeah, Graham. Good boy.
Wow, Mum, yours is doing so well. If Dad's with you. Mum's is going so far.
Yeah.
Love you, Dad.